sprinkle spices on the food. I sprinkle spices on the food.
I slice the bread. I slice the bread. I add lemon juice. I add lemon juice. I add oil to the pan. I add oil to the pan.
I break the eggs. I break the eggs.
I am slicing carrots. I am slicing carrots. I am chopping cabbage. I am chopping cabbage. I cover the pot. I cover the pot.
I take a knife. I take a knife.
I am heating oil. I am heating oil. I fry eggs. I fry eggs. I turn on the gas stove. The gas stove. I turn on the gas stove. I am chopping tomatoes. I am chopping tomatoes.
I add salt to the curry. I add salt to the curry.
I add water to the pot. I add water to the pot.
I am steaming vegetables. I am steaming vegetables.
I stir the vegetables. I stir the vegetables. I add cheese to the sandwich. I add cheese to the sandwich.
I am heating the milk. I am heating the milk. I cook food slowly on low flame. I cook food slowly on low flame. I am cooking rice. I am cooking rice.
I cut onions. I cut onions. I stir the soup gently. I stir the soup gently. I flip the omelet. I flip the omelet. I put onions in the pan. I put onions in the pan.
I spread butter on bread. I spread butter on bread. I am making a sandwich. I am making a sandwich. I enjoy my meal. I enjoy my meal. I drain the water. I drain the water. I rinse the rice. I rinse the rice.
I am frying fish. I am frying fish. I boil water. I boil water. I am frying chicken. I am frying chicken.
I heat the pan. I heat the pan. I heat the pan.
I peel the potatoes. I peel the potatoes.
I set the dining table. I set the dining table. I take a cutting board. I take a cutting board. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I wear an apron. Hi. I wear an apron.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!